Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a rice cooker. First, measure your rice precisely. For most white rice, a 1-cup serving is about 185 grams. Next, rinse the rice under cold water until the water is clear, removing excess starch. Then, place the rinsed rice into the rice cooker pot. Finally, add the appropriate amount of water. A common guideline is a 1-to-1 ratio for white rice, or 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of brown rice. Once your rice and water are in the pot, securely close the lid. Most rice cookers have different settings for white, brown, or even sushi rice, so select the correct one. Press the start button and your rice cooker will begin its work. The cooking time can vary, usually between 20 to 45 minutes, depending on the rice type and quantity. When it's done, the cooker will automatically switch to a keep warm setting, which is a great feature. After the rice cooker switches to keep warm, resist the urge to open it immediately. Let the rice rest for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly cooked, fluffy grains. When you do open the lid, be cautious of the hot steam. Use a rice paddle or fork to gently fluff the rice, separating the grains. Your delicious, perfectly cooked rice is now ready to be served and enjoyed. To ensure the best results, never overfill your rice cooker. Always stay below the maximum fill line, typically marked inside the pot. It's also crucial to avoid lifting the lid during the cooking cycle, as this releases steam and can affect the cooking process. After each use, make sure to clean the inner pot and lid thoroughly to maintain hygiene and performance. Don't be afraid to experiment with various rice types, like jasmine or basmati, and adjust water ratios to your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.